Today I'm going to show you how to make curry champuru, an Okinawan stir fry. Tear the tofu into pieces by hand to help it absorb the flavors more easily. Let it set for 20 minutes. The stems contain 4 times more nutrients than the leaves, so don't throw them away. Discard the excess liquid. Pat the tofu dry with paper towel to help prevent oil splatter. Season with salt and pepper, then cook until the tofu is golden brown. Transfer to a plate and set aside. You can substitute thinly sliced chicken for the pork. Once the pork is no longer pink, add the bean sprout. Remove the bean sprout root for a crispier texture. Add the garlic chives. Stir fry quickly, then return the tofu to the pan. Reduce the heat to low. Once the tofu is warmed through, add the curry powder and mix well. Season with sake, soy sauce, dashi powder, and salt. Eating garlic chives and bean sprouts with pork helps your body convert carbohydrates into energy. Enjoy this champuru dish